Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Mini GT LB Works Ford Mustang in this gray color. So yeah, first things first, obviously the right side of the box is matte and the left side is in this I don't know, it's like a glossy color, I guess. Glossy effect, I guess. And then you have the car right in front here. There's the car if you want to see it. And then it has the number 470 on the top, as you can see. Mini GT on this side, scale 164. Let me show you. There you go, scale 164. And there's that if you want to see it. And then here it is, official licensed product. And then you have this barcode. I don't know what is it for, but yeah, you can scan it if you want. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay, so this thing's quite a heavy one. So here it is, the Ford Mustang GT LB Works. So this is more of like the Liberty Walk body kit style of a wide body of a Mustang. So this is like the newer generations of the Mustang. It's like the 2018 version, where this is not the classic Fox body that you normally know, but this one is the LB Works version, obviously collaboration with Liberty Walks. They've made a bunch of cars basically, like the Lamborghini Aventador, Liberty Walk, and then they had the Nissan GTR, R35, Skyline, Liberty Walk, and there were many other cars that were famously in Liberty Walk style, and this is one of it. So yeah, basically very nice in this sort of like this grayish color, which looks pretty nice. I love the body kit on this. It has that wide body and basically wide wheels, as you can see right there. They have like the spacers inside, so yeah, they kind of like widen up the whole wheel arch right there, as you can see. You even have the clear details of the whole wide body segment, which I'll talk about in a bit and I'll show you. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out the car itself. So yeah, so here it is, the Ford Mustang LB Works, basically the Ford Mustang. Like I said, this is the 2018 version. So from the side, it seems pretty nice, as you can see right here. You have this cool looking like wide body arch right here. It's like the wide wheel arch, as you can see. I love how they've made it up to like this design. I know I did a review of the Nissan R35, the LB Works version as well, but this one just seems pretty detailed as far as I can see for the wide body part, which is pretty cool. And then there's something at the bottom there. Hold on, let me check. Oh, it's just a red light. Okay, I was like, what type of sponsor was there? I thought it was like a sponsor or something, maybe like, I don't know, Firestone, I'm not sure. But yeah, I cannot read what's at the door. Imagine all the people living in, imagine all of the people living in peace. So that's what I read on the side of the car door. Not sure if you can clearly see it. I'll try to focus it in, but I guess you could kinda see it maybe. And then there's something at that rear part of the like window right there, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, that's that. Moving on to the front, you have that extra like front bumper right there. It's like extended, which is quite cool, apart from the wide body, of course. And then you have the detailed headlights right there, which are like in that sort of plastic. I love the fact that they've done the horse for the Mustang logo, obviously. at the front of the car in that chrome silver right there, that just catches everyone's eyes. That's pretty cool. Detailed front grille, I love that. Nothing on the hood, sadly, just yeah, plain and empty. You have this windshield banner, which is interesting. It says LB Performance as to obviously Liberty Walk, so pretty nice. So same thing on the side. I forgot to mention the wheels. The wheels look pretty nice in that black color right there. It's like I don't know, those kind of look like 5 spokes, I think. Kind of looks like 5 spokes, but yeah, overall looking pretty cool. I like the fact that it has basically everything on a wide body car, obviously. And then you have this like sort of like rear lip as the spoiler right there. You can kind of see it from the side. There you go. Yeah, you have that lip at the back, which is pretty cool. Detailed rear lights, I love that. And then it says GT right there, and sort of like that chrome. Is it chrome or is it red? I'm not sure. Kind of looks like it. And then as the license plate, you have the LB logo, which is quite interesting. And yeah, unexpected to be there. And then you have these chrome like exhaust pipes. There are 2 at the back, as you can see right there, which are pretty nice and pretty detailed. Obviously metallic base, but instead it's more of like matte. It still is metal, as you can see. It's still metal body, metal base. Mini GT, made in China. And overall, I just love the casting. The casting seems very nice, and I think they did some other colors as well for this car. Like there was a green color, if I'm not mistaken, that bright green, leaf green color, which is kind of cool. But the gray one seems pretty nice as well. If it were to be black, I don't think so you would be able to see the whole wide body fitment, but still, it is quite a nice car and very, very cool to collect, especially when you're a Liberty Walk fan. And yeah, there you go. That is my review of the LB Works Fordmustang GT. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.